How to lower the screen on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provide equal opportunities for everyone. Here, scroll down and tap on Touch. On the Touch Settings page, tap on Reachability at the top. Turn on the switch beside it as shown. Reachability allows you to swipe down on the bottom edge of the screen to bring the top into reach, making it easier to use your iPhone with one hand. As you can see, you can now easily lower your screen. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.